Hey, what's going on, guys? So, put on my new headers. Fortunately, there is a strip bolt in one of them, so today we're going to be kind of just running through that and see if we can put a new Heli Coil kit in it. So, let's go.
Appreciate it. Alright, so I just drilled out the thing. Unfortunately, my power tool didn't fit, so I'm just going to just use my little cheap hand tool here thing from Harbor Freight to use it to drill it out. Fortunately, this is aluminum, so it really didn't take much to drill it out. And now I'm going to actually use the tap and die hand tool with the, I think this is the tap. Here's the Heli Coil that we will be installing. So it'll focus. And then this is the tool that you use to insert it. So we'll see how that goes. I'm a little nervous about this. I've never really done this before, so hopefully I don't kill my aluminum heads. Alright, so I was having trouble finding my etched mark on this tap here, so I ended up just getting a Sharpie and kind of marked it on there so I can actually see when to stop. Really don't want to drill any further than I have to.
Picked up Goliath on the scanner. Good. Easy for you to say. They got perks from Kid.
Yep. Well, it stopped anyways, so definitely can't go any further than that. So far, so good, man. I mean, this is my first time really doing this, and honestly, I'm scared out of my mind because. But then again, I mean, it can't be any worse than what it was, which was stripped out. So, unless I drill further than it needs to, and then I do make it worse than it is, and then I'm in trouble. Alright, now this, I've heard people say to use Loctite on, so I'm going to go look for that, and we'll see how it goes. Alrighty, found the Loctite, so I'm just going to throw that on there. After I clean this out for the 16th time. Loctite looks kind of old, unfortunately, but it's what we got, so we're just going to roll with it. Top of insert must be 1/4 to 1/2 inch, half turn, excuse me, below top surface. Now for the moment of truth, while we're doing this. Alright, fantastic. It does thread. Alrighty, so ended up finishing that. The tang on the Heli Coil, couldn't break it off. Unfortunately, I think I put it in too far, and because of that, there wasn't enough room for it to be honestly broken off. Fortunately though, I mean, this thing threads in a pretty decent ways, and with that, You can see my header flange here is quite large, so I honestly don't think I need to worry about that. So we're just gonna go ahead and take all these out, the spark plugs. It's easier to get to them now. Usually I leave or take them all out, put the header on, and then put the spark plugs in, but you know, taking this off, it wasn't actually in any of the dangers with the spark plugs, so I think I should be okay to install the new ones. A lot of oil or gas, I don't know. The engine's probably dying, to be honest with you. I'll put the new ones in. These are already gapped and ready to go. These are Champion 792s, what Blueprint Engine tells us to run. I don't honestly know if they're good or bad, but I didn't build the engine, so I'll just listen to them. And honestly, I don't really know how to build engines. I can put a car together, but an engine, I don't know. I'm sure I could figure it out. I just feel like there's so many different things to it that I feel like it would go wrong if I did it. I currently have open headers as well. Not too proud of that, to be honest with you, but they sound alright. Alright, so I'm going to be setting these to 25 foot-pounds.
No, kid. You and I have just become the first four-wheel.
Now I'm using these Percy gaskets. I think that's what they're called. And Nick recommended them to me. And honestly, I do like them. They're reusable and they're pretty nice. But they are thick, which is great. My top cover here has a pretty big lip on it. So I usually have to take it off to slide this in. We'll try it without it.